Email Parser by Zapier is a tool that allows you to extract specific data from incoming emails and use it to trigger actions or automate workflows in other apps. Here's how to use Email Parser by Zapier effectively. Create a Zap. Log into Zapier and click on Make a Zap to start creating a new automation. Set up Email Parser as a trigger app. Select Email Parser by Zapier as your trigger app. You will need to connect your Email Parser account to Zapier and set up a new mailbox. Configure parsing rules. Define parsing rules to specify which parts of the incoming email you want to extract as data. This might include sender information, subject lines, specific keywords, or structured data like order numbers or addresses. Test parsing. Send a test email to your email parser mailbox to ensure that the parsing rules correctly extract the desired data. Connect Action App. Select the app where you want to send the parsed data or trigger actions based on the parsed content. This could be your CRM, task management tool, Google Sheets, etc. Map parsed data. Map the parsed data fields from Email Parser to the corresponding fields in the Action app. Ensure data is correctly mapped for seamless integration. Set up actions. Define what actions should be performed in the Action app based on the parsed data. For example, create a new contact, update a record, or send a notification. Test and activate your Zap. Test your Zap to ensure the parsed data triggers the expected actions. Once satisfied, activate your Zap to start automating tasks based on incoming email data parsed by Email Parser.